Bryan, it's time to install the SONOpan soundproofing. Bryan, where are you? We don't have all day. What's all this green stuff on the walls? Hey, Bryan, I hear it's really easy to install. We'll have this done in no time.
Adam, what do you think of the SONOpan soundproofing I installed this morning? Really stops the sound from traveling, right?
I can think of something I want to send traveling.
Whether new construction or retrofit, you can double the soundproofing of any wall assembly with SONOpan. You will not believe what you're not hearing.
I'd like to not hear something.
I can't hear you.